Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of buying Bitcoin on Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges available. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will help you secure your first Bitcoin. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a Coinbase account. To start, visit the Coinbase website or download the mobile app. Click on Get Started to create your account. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password to protect your account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once your account is created, Coinbase will prompt you to verify your identity. This is a crucial step in adhering to regulations and ensuring the safety of your transactions. You may be asked to provide personal information, such as your phone number and a government-issued ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification process. Step 3. Set up payment method. Next, you need to add a payment method. Coinbase offers several options, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and PayPal in certain regions. Navigate to the Settings section, then click on Payment Methods to add your preferred option. If you're using a bank account, it may take a few days to link successfully, whereas credit and debit cards typically allow for instant transactions. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. Once your payment method is set up, it's time to buy Bitcoin. On the dashboard, locate and select Buy Sell. Choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to buy in either Bitcoin or your local currency. Review the transaction fees that Coinbase charges for the purchase, then click Buy Bitcoin. Confirm the transaction details and hit Confirm Buy. Step 5. Secure your Bitcoin. After completing your purchase, it's essential to secure your Bitcoin. While Coinbase provides a wallet service, it's recommended to transfer your Bitcoin to a personal wallet for added security. This can be a hardware wallet or a software wallet, depending on your preference. Step 6. Monitor your investment. Finally, keep track of your Bitcoin investment. You can do this directly through Coinbase, where you can see your portfolio's performance and market updates. Consider setting alerts for significant price changes to stay informed. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so always do your research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content. Happy trading!